Hello there, second graders. It's Mrs. Russell again, here to start a brand new month of Number Corner with you. But before we begin, I wanted to mention that if you wanted to follow along with one of the activities we're doing all month, it's going to be a hidden picture. And if you would like to follow along in color at home, I have included the link on the home learning slides that you can print your own copy. Otherwise, you can just follow along each day, and at the end of the month it should make some mystery picture that we'll learn more about in just a little bit. So if you would like to print that sheet, go ahead and pause this video and go back to the slides and find the link to print that off before you start watching this Number Corner video. Alright, to start, we're going to just flip over our card for today, and we'll zoom in just a moment, but let's read the date together first. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. Let's take a look at that in words and numbers. So in words, it would be Friday, comma, May 1st, comma, 2020. And if you notice, with numbers, something has changed. Last month was April, and we used a 4 to represent that month. It is a new month, the month after April, so it is the 5th month, the first day of the month, and 20 for short. So let's go back to our calendar, and I'm going to zoom in. We only have one card to look at today, but I'm going to zoom in, and we'll take a look at our first card. And what I would like you to do is take a moment to think about what you see or notice about this first card. Maybe something we might be doing this month for a number grid. Go ahead and tell somebody at home, what are your observations? What do we see on the first card of May? Great. You might be noticing that the card, the calendar marker, is green. You might be noticing there are some words. You might have noticed that there was an equation. Well, this month, second graders, we're going to have Joey, a kangaroo, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Joey, a kangaroo, is going to be trying to find he's looking for something, and his job is to use clues, or our job is to use clues on the calendar markers to help Joey move from number to number on a thousands grid to find what he is searching for. So here's what we're going to do each day in the month of May. Joey is hopping after something. Help him catch it by solving the clues on the calendar markers. Color the square to show which number Joey hops to each day. Look at the color of the day's calendar marker to know what color to use. If the day's marker is only halfway colored in, color the square on your grid exactly the same way. So if you were able to print the worksheet, go ahead and get that ready. We're going to go back to our calendar, and we're going to take a look at what our first card says for today. So let's take a look at card 1. Here comes Joey. He's very tricky. What did he see on 200 plus 60? So before we do this together, I want you to take a moment to think about where Joey might land on our thousands grid. What did he see on 200 plus 60? So let's see if you were right. The marker says 200 plus 60. Let's see which number Joey will explore first. First, he hops 200, 100, 200, and then 60 more. What number will Joey land on? If you said 260, you are right. That's 2 hundreds and 6 tens, 260. Now what you're going to do is, because the calendar marker was green and it was colored in all the way, we're going to do the same thing on our thousands grid. So if you have one in front of you, go ahead and find a green crayon or marker and color in 260 green. And that's what we're going to do every time we update our calendar grid. We're going to read the clue on the calendar marker, and we're going to get out our thousands grid and figure out where Joey is headed next. By the end of the month, we'll be able to see what Joey is chasing in the outback in Australia. That's all for today, second graders. I hope to see you again soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.